A very good day to all traders. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So for today weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. Euro dollar on the daily chart. We can see that although it's a very bearish movement, but these last daily candle have a break above and close above the previous high. So it can be a opportunity for traders to look for buying opportunity for counter trend trader especially. Head down to 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart, we can see that there's this movement that give you a hint that there is a harmonic pattern. 1 hour chart, nothing much on the 1 hour chart. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis on the daily chart. This is the resistance line and support line. Euro dollar well supported at 1.1113. Alright, head down to 4 hour chart. We can see that on a Gartley pattern, this C price, it has went below this candle body, which is not the typical setup I love for harmonic pattern. At the same time, the D price is very close to the B price. Not my favorite as well. So in this case, for the Euro US dollar, alright, Euro dollar, I will need to look for a confirmation at candle confirmation at 1.1230 before deciding if I'm going to short based off the Gartley pattern. Head down to 1 hour chart, we have this sell zone over here. Alright, so no patterns for harmonic pattern, but most probably within this sell zone, I'm waiting for a double top. So that's all I have for you today. This upcoming Facebook live session on Wednesday, I'll have a change of time as it's a public holiday. So stay tuned, like our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/forex100.org. Alright, so till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I'll see you soon on the next video.